Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Poco X3 Pro model and bootloader state so you avoid flashing the wrong firmware. Once done, back up your data and charge the phone above 50% to prevent interruptions. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled. You will need them. Next, obtain the specific 5G-capable firmware for your exact model and note the MSM/RF chip identifier. These first steps prevent bricking and prepare you for the firmware and modem changes ahead. You will now flash the 5G firmware using Fastboot or MI Flash. Pick the official package matching your device. Reboot into bootloader, unlock only if required, then flash the modem, NV and radio partitions to enable 5G baseband support. Once flashing completes, reboot to system and verify baseband version. After that, go to Network Settings and set preferred network type to 5G/4G auto. Then create or update your carrier APN to allow 5G data. These steps change both firmware and network config to enable. Finish by confirming the 5G icon appears in a known 5G coverage area and run a speed test to validate throughput. If you still see no 5G, recheck the flashed modem/NV files and consider reflashing the exact firmware package. Often an incorrect radio partition blocks 5G. Make sure your SIM is provisioned for 5G and the carrier supports your device. One quick troubleshooting tip. Swap to another 5G-capable SIM from the same carrier to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.